Here we are in rural Aberdeenshire. This is where Red Stag Materials have our packaging facility. From here we package Easy Street asphalt into small 22 kilogram bags and 1 ton bulk sacks.
When a customer places an order with ourselves for Easy Street, within there where we can have the small bags and the 1 ton bulk sacks on a courier going to them.
So I'll give you a little explanation of how this facility works. So we're here today at our stockpile here of Easy Street, freshly made. It's pretty cold right now in Scotland. We've got some pretty poor weather conditions, but as you can see, it's a really rich looking stockpile. If I just dig into the stockpile slightly, you can see just how workable it actually still is. There's a slight crust on the top of the material. That is actually what we're looking for. As the material sits in the stockpile, it forms what can be best described as a protective crust over the material. You can see we've broken the protective crust and the material's lovely and lively. As you can see behind me, we have this blue hopper. We place our loose Easy Street asphalt, we load it into the hopper, and then as you can see the conveyor belt working right now, it brings the material inside. So we're coming in now to the packaging facility that we use. This is where the conveyor belt runs into, as you saw earlier on. The Easy Street asphalt makes its way from up the conveyor into the weigh hopper. It weighs up into 22.5 kilograms. The bags hook onto here, and the 22.5 kilograms of Easy Street drops into the bag. It then makes its way onto the conveyor belt, through the heat sealer, further along the conveyor before it makes its way towards the pallet. So as you can see, the bags come off the end of the conveyor. These bags will now make their way to a distributor for resale. These products are then shipped across the UK from here on pallets, shipped out by a courier or by our own transport.